Behaviorism, a pivotal school of thought in psychology, asserts that behaviors can be measured, trained, and changed. This theory, emerging in the early 20th century, primarily focuses on observable and measurable aspects of human behavior, rejecting the introspective methods of earlier psychological practices. Central to behaviorism is the notion that all behaviors are acquired through conditioning, influenced by the environment rather than by innate or internal forces. Behaviorism, founded by John B. Watson and later expanded by B.F. Skinner and Ivan Pavlov, diverges significantly from psychoanalytic and humanistic approaches in psychology. It advocates for a more scientific and objective approach where only observable behavior is considered worthy of study. The rise of behaviorism marked a shift toward experimental methods in psychology, moving the field closer to the standards of natural sciences. This emphasis on empirical evidence and controlled experiments was pivotal in establishing psychology as a scientific discipline. Behaviorism involves the rigorous analysis of the relationship between environmental stimuli and behavioral responses. This approach is used to understand a wide range of phenomena, from basic reflexes to complex social behaviors. Pioneered by Ivan Pavlov, classical conditioning involves learning through association. Pavlov's famous experiments with dogs demonstrated how a neutral stimulus, when paired with an unconditioned stimulus, could elicit a conditioned response. B.F. Skinner's theory of operant conditioning centers on the idea that behavior is determined by its consequences. Reinforcements, positive or negative, increase the likelihood of a behavior, while punishments decrease it. Behaviorism focuses on the SR, or stimulus-response model, which posits that behavior is a result of external stimuli. This model downplays the role of internal mental states or emotions. Contrary to the methods of earlier psychological approaches, behaviorism disregards introspection as a valid method of investigation, arguing that internal psychological processes are too subjective. Behaviorism has significantly influenced the field of clinical psychology, particularly in developing therapeutic techniques for behavior modification. Approaches like systematic desensitization and token economies are rooted in behaviorist principles. In education, behaviorism has led to the development of teaching and learning methods focused on reinforcement and repetition. Educational models like direct instruction and programmed learning are based on behaviorist theories. Behaviorism has also been influential in the study of animal behavior, contributing to our understanding of animal learning and training techniques. In the realm of organizational psychology, behaviorist concepts have been applied to understand and influence employee behavior, motivation, and productivity. Over time, behaviorism evolved into different branches, like radical behaviorism, which acknowledges internal events but treats them as behaviors subject to the same rules as external actions. Critics of behaviorism argue that it is overly reductionist, ignoring the complexity of human consciousness and emotions. This critique has led to the development of cognitive behavioral approaches that consider both thought processes and behavior. Modern psychology often integrates behaviorist principles with cognitive theories, acknowledging the interaction between environment, behavior, and cognitive processes. In conclusion, behaviorism has played a crucial role in shaping the field of psychology. Its focus on empirical methods and observable behavior has led to significant advancements in our understanding of learning, behavior modification, and the influence of environment on behavior. Despite its limitations and the emergence of new psychological theories, the impact of behaviorism remains evident in many aspects of psychological research and practice, underlining the importance of external stimuli in shaping behavior.